I'm about to show you how you can install mods on Avowed in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So as you can see, there are a lot of different mods you can install on Avowed. For example, there is one to have better attributes, to have better companions, to get more ingredients and more resources in the world, to unlock all the abilities, to skip the intro so you can load the game faster, and a lot more. And I'm going to show you how you can install them in this video. So all you need to do is go to this website right here, nexusmods.com. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below, and you might need to create an account if you don't have one yet. Now once you are here, you can filter the mods by the newest, the most popular, the more trending, or random. In my case, I want the most popular ones because that means they are probably going to be the best mods. And just search for the one you want. So for example, let's say I want this one to skip the intro. So just click there and go to the download, click on the manual download, and then go to slow download, which is the free option. So there are some mods that are harder to install or require different steps. So make sure to check the description of that mod and see the steps. So in this case, you just need to unzip the file we just downloaded to the root game folder. So if you want to go to the root game folder, you need to open Steam, then go to your library, and right here you need to search for Avowed. In my case, I don't have it right here for some reasons, but all you need to do is search for Avowed right here, right click it, go to Manage, and then go to Browse Local Files. So this will open the Avowed game root folder. So in my case, I have it right here. And after you are on your game root folder, this is mine, you need to drag the file we just downloaded into that folder and then extract the files. So extract here, and you might need to replace some files, so yes to all. And now the mod is installed correctly, so I'm gonna open the game, and now it should skip the intro. So the game is opening right now. Let's see if we get the intro or not. And now as you can see, the game has opened very quickly and no intro did pop up. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.